remain joyful, remain at peace within your heart and soul. This is the true currency that they were trying to take away from you. Some of you may have been confused and wondering, like, what is it? What is it they're trying to take from me? You could be someone where humbly you literally do not have much, okay, but you make the best of what it is that you do have. What they were after was beyond anything tangible, any material possession. It was what is within your soul. They wanted to get you to a point where you felt so hurt, so broken in the offenses that they may have committed against you. Like, some people were very low. They may have even tried to pick up on, wow, this demonic energy is what I'm picking up on. They were trying to pick up on any type of perceived insecurity, anything vulnerable that they may have known about you. You may have experienced some type of loss or some type of misfortune. Oh, they loved that. They were happy to have any little iota of something that was upsetting that they can use in order to try to poke at it, prod at it. They wanted to get you to a point of offense, to the point where the level of disrespect or betrayal or whatever hurtful thing they have done to you, child of God, son and daughter of God, they wanted you to match that energy, because they are typically used to turning people over to a fallen state of existence by doing so. And this is how they have broken many people that may have been good. All right, this was their assignment, but thankfully you endured all of this. Okay, you transmuted that energy, you turned their negativity into something beautiful. All right, so let's move to Galatians 5:22 is, but the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, and faithfulness. All right, also Luke 3:9, indeed the axe is already laid at the root of the tree, so every tree that does not bear good fruit is cut down and thrown into the fire. Amen. And so the very things that these rotten fruit thought that it was going to do to contaminate you, because they thought that this worked for so many other people, this is going to work for this one too. And they have failed. I'm picking up heavily right now that this is why you feel a sense of calm, a sense of peace, because when you think about rotting fruit, if that is amongst the other fruit, it will literally contaminate the other ones. You'll begin to see some deformities, So you saw the rotten fruit and you separated yourself energetically. You prayed about that thing and God has smited them. Like, these people are, all that negativity and evil that they try to put your way or try to contaminate you with has consumed them. There's no getting back up from coming against you. Amen.